Aloha all. Today we're going to look at rules views integration, which is a really fantastic module that is underused in Drupal. It combines rules and views, which are two fantastic modules. Doesn't have a 7x version yet. Whatever. For the rest of us, you need to install that and views periodic executions. And what's going to happen is that, just like usual, you'll be able to create rule sets. So what you're first going to do is create a rule set, and then you can create a view and trigger that rule set. And for this particular adventure, what we're doing is we're unpublishing nodes after a certain amount of time relative to something in the content. So whereas there are things like node expire and other modules that will let you type in a date after which a node will expire, using views, we can just use the dates that have already been entered into a date. So we don't have to do double data entry. We don't have to program this trigger. We can just say, well, here's a filter. Anytime this filter is active, go ahead, use a periodic execution right here every 12 hours, and send it to a rule set. And so what's going to happen here is we look at our rule set, and we're going to send it to this rule set that we've created over here, which egon unpublish in this case, and send it the node ID. Alright, here's our node ID. I added this little piece of content in here because sometimes looking at my data, just from the view side, it's nice to know what you're working with. And so here are node IDs. You can create, if you needed to, you can create another page here or a block or whatever, just to see the content to make sure you're dealing with it correctly. And over on the rules side, what's going to happen is you've created a rule set and you've added a new rule in here, and in that rule just need one action: unpublished content. And so that ties views and rules together with this cron tab 12-hour, in this case you can change that if you need to, type function. And so that's how you can use rules and views to unpublish content. Take care, have a great day. If you have any questions, throw them in the forum. Thanks.